Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5, and in this video I am going to show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open settings and then head to sound and vibration option. And to unmute ringtone we have to just ring dot get to the right like this or like this, however, but to the right from the left. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.